Got a bag on it?
Okay, get it to go back this way. Is it in here? No, keep getting. Let's go. Did you get it? Oh. No! This way.
Oh, God.
Maybe maintenance couldn't help.
Brandon, will you hold this? Will you hold it? Okay, it's going back. It's going back. It's back. This way. Go on. Go on.
Yeah, oh, my God. Stop running towards me.
No, shut the door. No. No.
Oh, God, it's under the...
Yeah, it's been sitting here, and maintenance says to catch it. That's their thing. So, I mean,
It's right there.
just close your thing.
Ah. Stop running on. Dang mouse. Yes.
Did you get it?
I think we need like a flat piece of paper.
Oh, crap.
It's gone now.
It's gone?
Yeah, we won't get it because it's going to get into this thing.
No, it's gonna smell.